Hi, I'm back with a new video. So then in episode number 2 again, Boro history week in bagay. So if you really like my videos, if you really like my channel, then subscribe kalam thang, okay? And I wish you to subscribe kalam thang kalangan nani, or like kalam kalangan nani. If you don't like my videos, it doesn't matter. Just dislike and go, okay? So then in episode number 2 about clan ni bagay jeni Boro ni clans ni bagay eba groups ni bagay ralagan, okay? So gede dongman before groups are, but some of you doesn't know about this maybe. Sera micha jana hago, sera kompra micha jana hago, man ba sera for ibe jana ibe ni bagay, okay? So we'll talk about the clans today, okay? So jeni Boro obo clans for dongman, jeri malina clans so man jena Boro obo dongman, okay? So first of all we'll start from the clan number 1, which is heaven for Boro people. I don't know about others, but for Boro people, heaven jaigan here. Okay. So Swarg-Aroi henne menche clan dongman gede hai menche group dongman. Jero big group of khali jengni like not jengni but big group of khali Deoris. Deoris mane tribe ni bagre bunga ke ba Deoris thai ba sage eba pujari per ba oja per thai. So big clan au mane khali be per by diman chalo thai. Okay. So they are called Swarg-Aroi. So basically be clan malab खामानि मावनाय माने खामानि मावनाय लाइक जि गावनि उदैनि थाखाय मावनानै जानाय इफोरबायदि खामानि मावा ओके सो दे आर कॉल्ड हेवन इन संस्कृतआव बेखौ हेवन होननानै मिथियोमोन एबा हेवन फ्लक होननानै मिथियो फ्लक माने ग्रुप मोनसे सो सेकेंड विल गो अबाउट बासुमती BASUMATI Basumati-Aroi होननानै मोनसे क्लेन दंमोन दैट्स क्लेन नेम इज Basumatary नोंसोर मिथिया इट्स सिमिलर बाट गोदो संस्कृतआव बेखौ बासुमाती होनोमोन So in Sanskrit beko Basumati ko mane mahane earth eba buhum ko hone. Okay. The clan it's represent two flock of earth eba buhum ko represent kalam. Jini Basumatary. Okay. So bisna privilege to like jerau buthana hayiman ba privilege over the land some of the lands ne jerau ha belek chati prathayaman video privilege to thane eba Basumatary a large tribe nga ba meche gidder tribe man the Boron ka but still then it's a say like Basumatary meche particular meche name jahiba meche extra group jahiba nga ba so this we don't judge about this Basumatary Narzary judge kalam but in gede dongman okay about this so Basumatary meche not meche but Basumatary ko saneman be hani psala eba psa hanane saneman okay are Basumatary bangsin dai large to na gilang michla but maybe it's large right now I don't know about that if you think that Basumatary is larger than other surnames then you can comment me down okay comment down kalam like Basumatary bangsin dong eba Narzary bangsin dong iper comment kalam but don't take it argument kalma be iper kata go lanani okay because argument kalam lab gaya so now next we'll go to Ramsa-Aroi Ramsa-Aroi clan okay the clan name is Ramsa flock you know already because Sanskrit ma be digya but it's a flock mane menche group eba menche tradition type ni jahiba okay so Ramsa obodong okay Ramsa dai men dongo like Ramsa menche gami se eba Ramsa menche place name okay be dongo Betna Mouza menche Kamrup I think Kamrup jaya dongo be undivided to Kamrup okay Ramsa is a hill by the way it's a hill in Kharguli menche buji khata hills mane buji khabai ngamba menche Hajo okay hills in Kharguli jayga hanai jayga be Ramsa dong okay so Kamrup so like Ramsa ya naam mendeng Ramsa ko actually Kacharis anan jaga yeman okay but Ramsa price belek type ni jahi bai jeri eba Kacharis pra thai eba hills of thai ngamba so actually they are like male Christians male je huasa Christian per thai men eba Christian thai men na jai ha dai nga but sigang Hajo thai men so they are male Christians and they are known as Ramsa ba Kacharis anan jai okay so fourth is Mahalia I think yeah Mahalia-Aroi okay Mahalia-Aroi is actually the surname of Mahilari I think yeah Mahilari or Mahilari I think whatever how you pronounce it depends on you next depend but it's Mahilari I think yeah so fifth is Hajo-Aroi okay Hajo-Aroi pra manche clan or bisere bangsinana pujiye not bangsin but bisere pujiye Raja Hajo ko Hajo Rajo Hajo okay so Hajoari I think Hajoari you know that I think yeah if anyone from you is Hajoari eba next Hajoari ba comment down kalam okay So this is your clan, Hajo-Aroi. Okay, this is your clan, by the way. Hajo means actually hills ko huna. Okay, so Hajo is Hajo mane hills for. So this is the ending of this video. So if you like it, and if you feel anything that's missing about some kata missing number, please you can just comment me down and say me. I'm trying my best. Bisang hayang buno man ba some of the spelling mistakes no articles so man ba some Boro people has maybe some Boro people re-edit it, but still then mistakes to dongo, but mahan bona. Okay, fine, whatever it is, but at least to jing history ko serba to sa preserve kamon den na, so I appreciate for that. Man ba jing history ko jing michinan thane mujang man ba jing history ko micha ba bari jana ba. Love you all, NJ, and I wish you will always support me for these things, and I wish next topic is coming soon, don't worry. I think I'll bring about Devanagari, yeah, something like that. Okay, love you all.